In this video, I'm going to show you how to get correlation coefficient of two numerical variables in R. Correlation coefficient measures the strength of the relationship between two numerical variables. And it could be the negative relationship or the positive relationship. It can be a negative number or a positive number. It lies between -1 and +1. And we can measure it by the formula covariance of the two variables divided by the product of the two standard deviation of the two variables. Okay, so this is the formula. So we can do hand computations to calculate the correlation coefficient, but we can also get directly using a function or a built-in function. It lies between -1 to +1. If it is -1 or +1, it shows a perfect relationship, depending on obviously the sign, whether it's a perfect negative relationship or perfect positive relationship. It can be for more than two variables, but correlation coefficient is normally used for just two variables, but it can be also multivariate correlation, but that's different. So what we do first is we define two numerical variables x and y, and then we will use the built-in function core function. We'll provide x and y as the parameters to these functions, and then we'll get the correlation of these two variables. So let's run this. So as you see, the correlation between x and y is 0.79. How we should interpret it is like this. The correlation between x and y is positive. That means if x moves in one direction, y also moves in that same direction.